watching you, yeah? Keep your hand straight after the bed. This, and you will jump to your hand. Smile, look at our camera, we'll take a...
हेलो गाइज एबे आमर डॉल्फिन शो देखिक आसला परे आ गोटे ये पाखे अच्छी एक्जोटिक बर्ड शो है बढ़िया बढ़िया सब चढ़ई मान शो हम ये तो टिकेट काउंटर आम आसी पहुँचे टिकेट काटू भितर बसबू ए 5 मिनट पर शो अच्छी एबे आमे पशिगले टिकेट काटिक आसी पशिगले चला मामा आसो पचर है यहाँ हूँ टिकेट काउंटर ये गोटे रेस्टोरेंट अच्छी यहाँ बर्ड शो एंट्री सेपटू डॉल्फिन बाहर के आसिक एपटर पश बर्ड शो दिस वे
How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Big boy, what's your name?
What's your name?
Coco, nice name. Coco, we are here in Dubai. What is the first words you have to say to the people in Arabic?
Coco, say hello in Arabic.
Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa alaikum. What do you want to ask all the friends in the arena?
Ask everybody, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, we're doing good. What about the morning?
How about in the morning?
Morning.
Good morning, Coco. Can you tell us who's your best friend? Cat. Who's the one steal your food and run away every day? Dog. Coco, if you see a beautiful lady, what you will say for her? Only kidding, a cute mazah. Coco, imagine my birthday is today. What you will wish me? Thank you so much. But if you forget to bring a presents to me, then say تجيب لي هدايا. What you will say? Bye bye. Number one can juice, no girls, nothing. Thank you, Coco, the African Barat. Thank you, Mariam, the awesome trainer. Hiba and Adele, the third largest Macaws, coming from the corners to say Salaam alaikum, marhaba, all of you. This is the third largest Macau. Friends, you can roll a video, take a photo, but no flashlight. Some video suwa bidon wala flash. And also during the show, make sure your mouth is closed because you'll never know what will be dropped down on you. Maybe something tastes like salted ice cream. Your Mariam, hello. With also Taylor Ronald Rashford. John Picasso, friends, is a white silvery crisp cockatoo. نوعيته crisp cockatoo أبيض. Famous in many countries like Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Australia. I love this. Oh, Taylor Ronald, I know what this is. Cocktail juice. Ask the kids. Kids, angels, tell me, what's the painting look like for you? Rainbow, perfect answer. Yes? Bird. Perfect answer. Did you win? The kids say rainbow or bird. What do you think? What? Flowers? Which kind of flowers look like this? Mr. John, is this a flowers? No. Is this a cocktail juice? Also no. What is this? Seven colors flying in the sky. Wait, is this a rainbow parrot? Bird. Woohoo! Bravo kids, it's a rainbow parrot. All of you are right. Thank you. Andre the giant is here. Still RC Eagle نسر بحري خاطر. The only one in Dubai, الوحيد الموجود في دبي عندنا هون. We bring him from Russia, جبناه من روسيا. But we can't find this bird in many countries. فينا نلاقيه بعدة بلدان. Let me tell you something about Mr. Andre. He's 4 years old, 4 سنوات only. With this size مع هالحجم, he's still a baby, بعده baby. And he is the only one in Dubai. How to take a memory to your home with Andre? Wear a glove, put your hand like this. Andre will jump to your hand. Smile, look at our camera, we'll take a picture, print it, and give it to you. Friendly, photogenic, lovely bird, and we have super offer I'll tell you about after 1 minute. Thank you, amazing. Can I run all the time? Andre the giant, spasiba, be shy. I love India. I need money to go there. Give me your money, fly. Never ever come back, khalas. This is my magic. Alhamdulillah. 10 dirhams. You have more? No. How many of you want me to bring the money back for him? Raise your hands up. Who want me to come and pay him 10 dirhams? Come. What? Put your hand down. Sir, Mr. Roman, where are you going? Come. You still have more. I want to stand on the line. Now it's your moment. You give me 10 dirhams, right? How much you want in return to Baba, bring the money back, we are kidding. Close your mouth, run to India. Run. Thank you, Maria. Number is here. Yes? رقمها موجود هون. Your number is here. No. Your number is here. 2 no, okay. Your number is here. 2 no, 2 yeses. Trina Mariam, did you win? It should be 3 yeses, 1 no. So she's playing with us. No. DJ, what do you think the number? 2 digits, 15, 15. For me, no. I know it's 1 digit number and I know it's number 2. So let me ask Anas. Anas, tell everybody it's number 2. Friends, this is the 3rd largest Macau, ثالث أكبر Macau بالعالم. Blue and gold, الأزرق والذهبي. What we call the largest one, we call him the hyacinth, dark blue Macau with a black beak. أكبر Macau بالعالم هو الأزرق الجاكن وبيكون عنده المنقار أسود. Next to you directly. I will show you how to feed the bird. Then I will call one daddy, gentleman, to try this. So daddy, listen and look, شباب شوفوا شو رح سوي. Your hand should be straight, إيدك مستقيمة. The bird will fly to your hand to eat 2 pieces. رح ياكل قطعتين بالضبط. Then close your palm. لازم تسكر الكف. Should close your palm. Rio will fly back to the trainer like this. So my friend who's sitting doing nothing here, come help me. Yeah. Sir, I want to stand here. We have a rule to try this. Do not eat the bird's food. I'm watching you, yeah? Keep your hands straight. After the bird finishes, close your palm. The toucans cannot fly more than 60 meters because they have a short wings. أجنحتهم قصيرة ما بيطيروا أكثر من 60 متر. Small, close your palm, sir. Close. Small size of mouth is a girl, big size of mouth is a boy. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Rio. From Brazil to Dubai.
Finish ହେଇଗଲା ଆମର ବର୍ଡ ଶୋ ଏବେ 25 ମିନିଟ୍ର 30 ମିନିଟ୍ର କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ଆପଣ ଦେଖିକି ମତାମତ ଜଣାଇବେ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବେ ଆଉ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଭୁଲିବେନି